from R.D. Sharma, class 6, chapter number 6, that is fraction, in that exercise 6.8. Now write this fraction appropriately as addition or subtraction. First of all, we'll write this figure of that fraction. So first of all, in the denominator, what we will write? The total number of box 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and shaded part is 1, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total is 5 and shaded part is 2, equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total is 5 and shaded part is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now if you have denominator common, then you can add easily. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Total is 6, shaded part is 3. Total is 6, shaded part 2, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and shaded part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. Now here question 2 solve. 5 by 12, 1 by 12. Now if your denominator is same, you can directly add it. So 5 plus 1 upon 12 equal to, only one time I am writing, common means one time we have to write. So 5 plus 1 is 6 upon 12. Okay, this type of addition we have to do. If your denominator is same, you can plus it directly, plus or minus it directly. Let us do it. 5 upon 12 plus 1 upon 12. So 5 plus 1 upon 12, which is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6 upon 12. Now this we can cancel it in simplest form. So 6 1s are and 6 2s are 12. So answer is 1 upon 2. Now let us see the second one. That is 3 upon 15 plus 7 upon 15. So this is also the same. Denominator are same, so directly we can plus 3 plus 7 upon 15. So equal to 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 upon 15. Now this we can cancel with 5. 5 2s are and 5 3s are. So answer is 2 upon 3. Now question 1 plus 1 upon 4 plus 0 upon 4. So equal to 1 plus 0 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 4 is the answer. Now fifth one, that is 4 upon 13 plus 2 upon 13 plus 1 upon 13. Now if you have the 3 fraction, then also the same. Common 4 plus 2 plus 1. Directly we have to write, and whichever the common denominator, only one time we have to write. So equal to 4, 5, 6 and 7 upon 13 is the answer. Here also the same. If it is minus also, then also be the same. So 7 minus 4 plus 9 upon 31. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12 upon 31 is the answer. If you add minus, then minus it. If you add plus, then plus it. The same. Here 8th one, question is 3 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 minus 2 3 upon 7. Now this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. So 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 22. 23 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 and minus, this also mixed fraction, so convert into improper. So 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 15, 16 and 17. 17 upon 7. So equal to 23 plus 1 minus 17 upon 7. So equal to 23 plus 4 is 23 plus 1 is 24. 24 minus 7. Now 24 minus 7 we have 17 we have to do. So answer is 7. So 7 upon 7. So 7 1s are. So answer is 1. Now this 1 minus 2 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3. Let 1 be as it is. minus these two denominator are same, so what we will do, first of all keep it here, minus 2 plus 7 upon 3. So what will the answer came? 1 minus answer is 9 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3s are. So 1 minus 3. So equal to answer is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now 1 minus 2 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3. Now here nothing means 1. Okay. Here nothing means I am writing here 1. Now here all the denominator are not same. So we have to make the same. So LCM we have to take out. So LCM is 3. So multiply with 3. Okay, this equal to 3 ones are 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3. Okay, after that what we have to do, this now denominator are same, so 3 minus 2 plus 7 upon 3, which is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 7 is 8 upon 3 is the answer. Question number 3. Shikha painted 1 by 5 of the wall space in her room. Her brother Ravish helped and paint 3 by 5 of the wall space. How much did they painted? Now Shikha and Ravish, we have to sum of them, because how much they had painted, that is asked. So 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So let us do that for the first question. Now Shikha painted the wall space, how much? That is 1 by 5. And Ravish painted the wall, that is 3 by 5. Now we have to find how much did they painted together. So wall space painted by both of them, what we have to do? We have to add up both of them. So both fraction we are adding, that 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. Both the denominators same. So we can write that 3 plus 1 is 1 plus 3 upon 5, which is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 5 is the answer for wall space painted by both of them. And second question is, how much the room is left unpainted? Now how much the room is left for unpainted, that what we have to do? We have to do minus. With whom we had minus? See, unpainted part of the room, unpainted part of the room. Now for the one only they are doing, so 1 minus total how much they had painted? 4 upon 5. So for the unpainted part, 1 volt minus 4 upon 5. Now this what we have to do? Here LCM, here nothing means 1 into 5. So 5 upon 5 minus 4 upon 5, which is equal to 5 minus 4 upon 5. So answer is 1 upon 5. So unpainted part is 1 upon 5 and painted with together is 4 upon 5. Together we have to plus, and unpainted if you have to find, then 1 minus 4 upon 5. Question number 5. The teacher taught 3 by 5 of the book. Vivek received 1 by 5 more on his own. How much does she still have to revise? Now teacher had taught from book 3 by 5. Okay, Vivek revised 1 by 5. 1 by 5 he had revised, and how much revised, that he has still left. So we have to minus from this. Yes, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So we can find out that he still have to revise. So let us do it. Now fraction of the book taught by the teacher, which is 3 by 5, and fraction of the book received by Vivek, which is 1 by 5. Fraction of the book still he have to revise. Now this revise means we have to minus from this. So to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 5, which is equal to 4 upon minus 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 5. Okay, answer is 2 upon 5. So the question last answer what we have to write? We still have to revise 2 by 5. Amit was given 5 by 7 of a bucket of orange. What fraction of orange was left in the basket? Now Amit had given from one basket, he had given 5 by 7 oranges. Now what fraction of orange was left in the basket? So what we have to do? One basket minus 5 by 7. Okay, so let us do it. Fraction of orange given to Amit as 5 by 7, and fraction of orange left in the basket is 1 minus 5 by 7. So 7, here nothing means 1, so multiply by 7. 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7, so equal to 7 minus 5 upon 7 is, so equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 7 is the answer. Okay, so how much left oranges in the basket? 2 upon 7. Question number 7, fill in the missing fraction. Now first one is that 7 upon 10 minus dash box 3 upon 10. Now which number we have to minus that it will come 3? That we have to decide. Now here denominators are always same, so 10. Okay, so 10, here also 10. Now 7 minus with whom? So 7, first of all 7 minus 3. So answer is 7 minus 3 is 5. So here also 5. If we 7 minus 5, so answer is 3. So what is that answer? 5 upon 10 is the answer. Now here if denominator same, so we have to write here denominator same. Okay, 21. Now which number we have to minus that answer will come 5? So which number we can do? From 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Yes, so 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So 8 upon 21 is the answer. Here denominator same, so I am writing here 6. Now from which number we have to minus, then answer is 3. Which we can take greater than 3, right? So which number? If we'll take 6 only, so 6 minus 3 equal to 3 only. If we'll 6 upon 6, now instead of 6 upon 6 we can write 1 also, right? So 1 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 6. 6 cancel, so answer is 1. So 1 minus 3 upon 6 equal to 3 upon 6. Now another one, 27. So I am writing here 27 because same denominator, so I am writing here 27. Now from which number we have to minus 5? The answer is 12. So if we plus this 12 and 5, what is the answer? 17. Now 17 minus 5 is 12. Yes, 17 minus 5 is 12. So here if it is here number, first number digit is remaining, so you can plus it. Here also 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Here 3 plus 3, 6. Here 5 plus 12 is 17. Okay, short form. Thank you for watching this video.